Another failed relationship. Guess it's bad to situationships. Till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between. I didn't think I'd ever get this lonely. All these holes in my chest from the war inside. Baited by the hook and now I'm terrified to look at my story through somebody else's eyes. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between. Another failed relationship. Guess it's bad to situationships. Till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between. Didn't think I'd ever get this lonely. All these holes in my chest from the war inside. Baited by the hook and now I'm terrified to look at my story through somebody else's eyes. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth much to do, I guess. I sit and smoke away the stress. I'm late for every single shift. Is it too late to call it quits? Well, I could, but I can't, 'cause I don't have cash to lose. I spend all day inside my head. I'm like a needle pulling thread. I reap and sow again. I'll send my therapist a text. Well, I could, but I can't, 'cause I don't have time to lose. Well, lately I've been sleeping in beds I made, losing all the fucks I gave. I lived a life of wasted nights. I'm the reason times have changed. It's the chance I never take. I lived a life of wasted nights. But I bet on myself and I bet I'm right. Can you listen to me here for a second? I'm about to teach a couple good lessons. I invested in a life of second guessing, always stressing, never counting up my blessings. Boy, I never got the message, 'cause 24 hours not enough, 365 not enough. Don't got time to give a fuck about the food we're serving. Ashtrays, cafes, minimum wages, bad days. But don't let yourself get wrapped up inside the paper chase. Can't you see that your life is pretty precious? Why we wasting all this time cleaning messes? Let's forget it, don't sweat it. I don't care about your credit, boy, I'm trying to tell you how to live life, not regret it. 24 grams, not enough, 100 grand, not enough. Don't got rent to pay this month, so I'll get evicted. Side gigs, bad tips, spitting in the short ribs. Well, lately I've been sleeping in beds I made, losing all the fucks I gave. I lived a life of wasted nights. I'm the reason times have changed. It's the chance I never take. I lived a life of wasted nights. But I bet on myself and I bet I'm right. Well, lately I've been sleeping in beds I made, losing all the fucks I gave. I lived a life of wasted nights. I'm the reason times have changed. It's the chance I never take. I lived a life of wasted nights. Been sleeping in beds I made, losing all the fucks I gave. I lived a life of wasted nights.
Slow motion た階段のベルト、誰も止めずに見てるばかり。冷凍棚に整列した品、まるで誰かを待ってるようだった。本日閉店の文字が消えて、その奥に見えたのは営業中。夢の中でも足が止まって、目が覚めても同じ体感。向かいの窓がすべて黒くても、秒針はなぜか正しく回る。昨日のままでスローモーション、スローモーション、音のない日々、歪んだプロポーション、誰も急がず、空は眩しすぎて影も長くならない。スローモーション、時計だけ普通、いつも通りに終わらない。午後一つこの丸閉じた傘の輪が、誰もいないで風が乗っていた。カレンダーの数字が進んでも、足元の感覚は昨日のまま。階段の下に蝶が落ちてた。拾ってもポケットに入らなかった。昨日のままでスローモーション、静かすぎる日ぬるいペティション、ぶつかっても音がなかった。つまずいても手が出なかった。スローモーション、時計だけ普通